Hi. Welcome to this tutorial on how to make money with ChatGPT. First of all, let's define what ChatGPT is. It is a type of language model that has been trained on a large dataset of conversational exchanges. It is designed to generate human-like responses to prompts, making it a useful tool for various applications such as chatbots, customer service, and content generation. Now, let's talk about how you can make money with ChatGPT. There are several ways to monetize this AI bot. Number 1. Chatbot development. One way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to build chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can automate customer service and support, freeing up human resources for other tasks. They can also be used to engage with customers and promote products or services. To build a chatbot with ChatGPT, you will need to: first, choose a chatbot platform. There are many chatbot platforms available, such as Dialogflow, BotPress, and ChatFuel. Each platform has its own set of features and tools, so you should choose one that meets your needs and budget. Second, define the chatbot's goals. Before you start building your chatbot, you need to determine what it will be used for. Will it be a customer service or a promotional chatbot? This will help you design the chatbot's flow and determine the types of responses it should provide. Third, train the chatbot. Once you have defined the chatbot's goals, you can start training it using ChatGPT. This involves feeding the chatbot with a large dataset of conversational exchanges and fine-tuning it to generate appropriate responses. Fourth, test and deploy the chatbot. Before you launch your chatbot, it's important to test it to ensure it's working as expected. You can do this by running it through a series of user scenarios and checking for any errors or glitches. Once the chatbot is ready, you can deploy it on your chosen platform. Number 2. Content generation. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content for websites or social media platforms. ChatGPT can be trained to write articles, blog posts, and social media updates that are engaging and informative. To generate content with ChatGPT, you will need to: first, define the content's purpose and audience. Before you start generating content, you need to determine what the content will be used for and who it will be targeting. This will help you design the content's tone and style, as well as the types of information it should include. Second, train the ChatGPT model. Once you have defined the content's purpose and audience, you can start training the ChatGPT model. This involves feeding it with a large dataset of relevant content and fine-tuning it to generate appropriate responses. Third, generate the content. Once the ChatGPT model is trained, you can use it to generate the content you need. This can be done by providing the ChatGPT model with a prompt and letting it generate a response. You may need to fine-tune the content further before publishing it. Number 3. Translation services. Another way to make money is by using it to provide translation services. ChatGPT can be trained to translate text from one language to another, making it a useful tool for businesses and individuals looking to expand their reach to a global audience. To provide translation services with ChatGPT, you will need to: choose the languages you want to translate. Decide which languages you want to offer translation services for. This will depend on your skills and the demand for translation services in those languages. Also, you will need to train the ChatGPT model. Once you have chosen the languages you want to translate, you can start training the ChatGPT model. This involves feeding it with a large dataset of text in both languages and fine-tuning it to generate accurate translations. Lastly, offering translation services. Once the ChatGPT model is trained, you can start offering translation services to businesses and individuals. This can be done through a website or by reaching out to potential clients directly. You can also consider partnering with translation agencies or language service providers to expand your reach. Number 4. Freelance writing. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it as a writing assistant. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and write drafts for articles, blog posts, and other types of content. This can be especially useful if you're a freelance writer or content creator looking to save time and increase your productivity. To use ChatGPT as a writing assistant, you will need to define the content's purpose and audience. As with any writing project, it's important to determine what the content will be used for and who it will be targeting. This will help you design the content's tone and style, as well as the types of information it should include. Also, you will need to train the ChatGPT model. Once you have defined the content's purpose and audience, you can start training the ChatGPT model. This involves feeding it with a large dataset of relevant content and fine-tuning it to generate appropriate responses. You can use the ChatGPT model to generate ideas and drafts. Once the ChatGPT model is trained, you can use it to generate ideas and drafts for your content. This can be done by providing the ChatGPT model with a prompt and letting it generate a response. You can then use the generated ideas and drafts as a starting point for your own writing. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're building chatbots, generating content, providing translation services, or using it as a writing assistant, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to help you monetize your skills and expertise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us with a like. Peace.